This box, that's right, this box shows everything you need to do with your mouth to produce the vowels of English. Let's unlock the secrets of the phonemic chart. Hi, my name's Damien and I'm the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. And this series is all about helping you improve your pronunciation. These techniques will make it easier for people to understand you. In this episode, we focus on the top left-hand corner of the phonemic chart, and that's all about the English vowels. I'm going to show you some secrets of the phonemic chart and how to produce all the vowel sounds in English. Let's get physical. This beautiful chart designed by Adrian Underhill is a great tool for improving your pronunciation. Vowels are all about changing the size and shape of your mouth. It's your tongue, lips, jaw, and length of the sound. 1. Lips, which spread and move back, or round and move forward. 2. Tongue, which moves forward and back and also curls. 3. Jaw, which moves up and down, changing the space inside your mouth. And 4. Voice, turning the vocal cords on and off to make voiced or unvoiced sounds. Now let's see how these physical moves map onto the phonemic chart. Okay, the top line of this vowel box, if you move from left to right, shows you what to do with your lips. Spread to rounded. E, oo. Let's really feel it as we move across the top line of the chart. E, I, oo, oo. One more time. E, I, oo, oo. Now let's go between E and oo. E-oo. What's happening with your lips? They're going from spread to rounded. Use your finger and thumb to really feel it. E-oo. Now, how about your tongue? E-oo. You should feel it going forward for E and then backwards for ooh. Can you feel that? Use a pen or finger to feel the difference. E, ooh, e, ooh. You probably got it now. Your tongue is going in the opposite direction to your lips. While your lips are rounded and forward, ooh, your tongue is back. While when your lips are spread and back, your tongue is forward. Length of the vowel, from short to long, is represented by 2 dots. If you have no dots, then that sound is short. While if you have 2 dots, it is a long vowel sound. Let's do an example. I want you to look like an idiot or a really stupid person. I'm really good at this. You should be relaxing your face and making a really long sound. And that's what the 2 dots show on the chart. Now the other sound, which is very similar but short, is It's so famous in English it even gets its own name, the schwa, or what I like to call the lazy sound. So once again, look like an idiot, but keep it short. Now let's go to the long sound. If you're finding this episode really useful, please sledgehammer that subscribe button as it helps me and the channel. Let's look at the vertical axis. When you move down, your jaw opens more. Up and down. Let's try one of the lines. E, E, A. Now to really feel it, put your thumb under your chin and put your finger on your nose. Let's try it again. E, E, ah. Could you feel your jaw opening? Now I'm going to show you how this part of the chart all fits together. It gets really exciting when you can see how all the sounds connect up. I want you to follow with me, really feel it by using your finger and thumb, and make the sounds with me. Let's start on the top line, going horizontally across. E, I, U, U, E, I, U, U. Line number 2. E, A, O. E, A, O. Line number 3. A, O, A, O. Let's now do the vertical axis, which is all about your jaw moving up and down. Starting with line 1, E, E, A, E, E, A. Line 2, I, A, I, A. Line 3, U, A, U, A. Line 4, U, O, A, U, O, A. Wow, now you know some secrets about the phonemic chart. But hey, don't keep it a secret. Share it with some of your friends and get them to subscribe and watch the video too. Remember, practice, practice, practice. Always be looking for ways to practice your pronunciation, either with a friend, in front of a mirror, or using a camera on your phone. Start taking your English mask off today. See you later. E, oo, e, oo. Huh? What are you still doing here? Go start practicing. Come on.